Welcome back to our sub 10-minute burger challenge.
Today's special guest comes all the way from Romania via the Netherlands. It's social media sensation Kevin from Let's Cook!
Yes! Thank you.
How are you feeling, Kevin?
I'm good, no nerves at all. I'm totally solid.
Great.
Today's special guest heading into the burger arena is Kevin from Let's Cook. He's just 23 years old, a mere baby, especially compared to Ebbers, and he is from Romania. His favourite dish is Nutella on white bread with a glass of oat milk. That's really quite specific. He's known for putting beans in absolutely everything, and his unique skill? Over-salting everything. Well seasoned.
Now, you've seen the channel before, so you know the rules. We've given you the same basic ingredients as everyone, but we've allowed you to bring 3 ingredients of your own to jazz up your burger. These look cool. What have you brought us?
Absolutely. So we have my favorite one, cured pork, and it's also smoked. And it's a traditional Romanian thing, it's called slanina. So I'm hoping to get that one. We've also got a gouda, or the Dutch would say gouda, so do not say gouda. It's a spicy gouda cheese. It's got some spiciness in there, I don't know exactly what it is.
You can see the spiciness.
Absolutely.
Nice.
And then we also have one of my favorites, it's Romanian mustard. It's from a place called Tecuci. So it's Romanian mustard, and yeah, hopefully I'll get 3 out of 3, so let's see.
Super interesting ingredients. We hope you get 3 out of 3 too.
Definitely.
In order to win your ingredients, you must answer some quick fire questions. Are you ready?
Hit me, yes.
Question number 1. Last summer, on TikTok, you made a video about a 10-minute burger. But what kind of burger was it?
Oh no. Oh, 10. I make a lot of burgers in 10 minutes.
This is supposed to be the easy one.
I think a tuna burger.
Correct
answer!
Tuna burger. Nicely done.
Question number 2. Can you name 6 of the 7 ingredients that make up the Big Mac?
Oh wow. Okay, so we got beef.
Yep.
We got the bun.
Yep.
We got lettuce.
Yep.
Cheese.
Yep.
Onion.
Yep.
And
One
the
more.
Big Mac sauce.
Yes!
Special sauce.
Congratulations!
Could have had pickles as well, but you didn't
Oh,
need
the
it.
pickles, of course.
You didn't need it, you got them. 3 for 3. Here we go. What meat to fat ratio is most commonly considered to be the best among burger chefs?
Ooh.
Is it 70-30, 80-20, or 90-10?
Oh no. Is it more lean or more fat? I think you want more fat. So I think I'll go with 30-70.
Unfortunately, common consideration is the 80-20 is ideal for burger, but you get 2
It's okay,
of these stunning ingredients. Which ones do you want?
I'll get rid of the cheese, so I'll go full Romanian. We'll get the pork and we'll get the mustard.
That sounds fantastic. Let's make a burger.
Here we go.
Whoa. We have not started the timer yet. I take it that you're ready.
I was so ready to go.
Your burger time starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm going for this first.
I can see why you got the 80-20 fat ratio.
Yeah,
Look at
exactly.
that is like 99-1.
This is the additional 10% that I missed.
So do you have this raw? Do you cook it out? What's the plan?
I will cook it out and render out the fat and hopefully use the fat to cook my burger in it. I don't know how many to do because this shrinks down. So I'll just load it.
The whole thing.
Can't help but notice he didn't win the Gouda cheese, but he's got a little bit
did not win the
nibbly
Gouda
cheese on the board.
I got it as a snack and you guys can have it. There you go.
Hey!
That's gonna render out. I think in the meantime I can kind of chill out and cut my onions.
That
That's
smells
not good.
so smoky and delicious.
Yeah, it is. It's the sizzle. It's a perfect amount of sizzle. Now, I'm not a master chef. I don't have restaurants. I don't really know how to chop an onion properly. So,
Mike, you want to show it?
Take your time, you've got a whole 10 minutes.
I'm not ready.
Nice.
Yeah, oh, come on, what are you talking about?
He knows what he's doing.
okay, perfect.
So it's only going raw, you're going to cook that off as well?
Let me see. That's going to get cooked with the burger, I think.
And you can see all the
And
fat
look at all
rendering
the
out.
fat going out. I will toast my buns in the meantime. Do we have like... Oh, wait. Let me do some of this.
Yeah.
Sharing the pork fat. Nice. So he's started with the bun. So far, no burger in a burger challenge.
No burger.
Not yet. I am in control. It's all okay. I hope I'm good on time. I will put it right here. I'm just going for a single patty. I'll make a little ball out of it.
Season, nice.
Little salt. Actually, a lot of salt. Boom.
And it is.
In.
It's
Maybe
in.
hotter. I'm using some of Philly's leftover cartouche.
Nah, we love
Nicely
sharing
done.
here. We love sharing.
Yeah, that seems to be okay. Maybe it's too thick of a burger.
Squish
And
it.
he's going for the smash.
Squish it. Oh, really squish it.
Really squishy.
Harder, break
I
the
want it
dough.
messy. Little more salt here. Onions will go here too.
On the beat. Nice.
Definitely. And then mustard.
How the brioche bun's
Oh,
doing.
nice. Animal style.
Oh no!
Let's see. Oh, no!
There's a char. There's a char.
That's all right. No.
Colours flavour.
It's going again.
Go
He's
in
got the
again.
option.
It's fine. I have time.
Animal
I
style,
think.
mustard and onion on top of your beef, cooking in the pork
Absolutely.
fat. Now
Yes.
we're talking.
Oh yeah, that's
Nice,
pretty
nice,
solid.
nice.
Thank you.
Come on, Kev. You got this, mate.
Mayo.
Doing a
Boom.
great job.
Boom. Some
Special
pickles.
mustard.
Do you want me to finger the jar?
Finger it.
It's like no one's truly welcome until they've stuck their fingers
Too
in
much. Too much.
I like this juggling.
Where is it? Give me that. Give me that. Oh, that looks pretty good.
Seamlessly flip the burger.
Very nice.
Pork
Cheese
fat's
on that.
looking good.
Can I have the torch here? Can we blow this? Yeah.
Sous chef incoming.
Go for it. No, you do it. You're the master. Yes, sir. Perfect. Sauce. Wait, is this the top?
More fingered pickles.
More fingers in the pickles. Lettuce.
It's looking good.
Always salt your tomatoes.
Yes. You
Yes.
know why?
Yes.
You know why?
Because it brings out all the umami.
What is the time? No,
I
you
can't tell you, but I will
I'm
tell you.
extracting this.
Get a wiggle on.
I'm extracting this. Actually, I think I can remove the burger now.
Oh, that's juicy. Oh, look at those onions.
Maybe too juicy.
And you can smell all of that pork fat.
Yes.
Put it on top of the board of all the ingredients. Looking
We'll go a
good.
little bit of this.
Yes,
Look
he's
at
getting
that.
some of that charred pork in there as well.
Absolutely.
What was it called?
Oh, slanina. Yeah. Sorry.
Slanina.
Slanina. Can you say that?
Slanina.
Slanina.
I need to rush you. Come on, Kev. You got
It's
this,
okay.
mate.
We're good.
Come on, you. It's the home stretch.
It's this.
Pick a lid.
It's that. Get it on the board.
Get it on the board.
Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Yes! It almost made it onto the board. We'll get some sexies.
Big news! We've got another Sorted Live streamed event and it's going to be huge.
Across Saturday the 5th and Sunday the 6th of August, we're taking over an entire house to bring you the Wild Weekender, completely live and interactive.
Think of it as a whole weekend of the sorted cooking craziness that you know and love, mixed with house party vibes, mixed with festival vibes, and, well, it's gonna be carnage and it's gonna be live. We've got recipe relays with Pass It On fire, and a Pass It On where our kids create a crazy recipe brief. A late night style interactive quiz with Janice.
A cooking obstacle course in the Olympic Games, chefy cooking challenges with Kush and Ebbers, the return of James Curry,
A poker face pool party challenge,
and tons more.
As always, you can watch the madness unfold live or on demand at a time that suits you for up to 30 days after the event.
You can find all the info and tickets by using the QR code or by clicking the link in the description box below.
So get your mates together, grab some food, and buckle up for our biggest live event ever.
We cannot wait to see you on the live stream.
That's a seatbelt.
I'm glad. Thanks for clarifying.
Nicely done.
How was that?
It was effortless.
It
was not, it was not.
looked great.
I did it?
Yeah, honestly.
It didn't feel great. It felt like a mess.
I feel like
Excited
portions
for
are
this.
generous. Like they're
Generous
literally
portions.
oozing out of the bun. Cut it in half.
Oh, mate.
Oh, look at that.
Does that look good?
I think
Oh, it looks so saucy.
saucy
It's
is
so
good.
white.
I think that passes on the looks.
All right, let's go for it.
I'm intrigued by the pork because we could
Kevin?
smell it as you were cooking it.
Cheers.
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 Thank you for
Cheers.
having me, guys.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Oh my goodness, that mustard is excellent. Oh! Ebbers, did you get some of the pork?
You got the pork.
Oh, it's well
It's all
smoky.
round. Like the fat is all around it, which is so good. That smoky pork fat.
Definitely, and it's also a little greasy, but in a good way. The fat itself, it melts in your mouth, and leaves you with that taste.
I took a slither off the end of it to try it raw, to get that smoky kind of, you say it's slightly greasy pork fat, but when it's cooked into here, it's so
It's something
good.
else.
It absolutely passes
Definitely.
on the taste
Really?
test.
The texture of the slanina is fantastic. It's like, it's got a really nice sort of bite, like a crunch to it almost.
I
It tastes
agree,
fantastic.
exactly. It's got an initial crunch and then it leaves you with the juicy smokiness.
Yeah, I've
And
got
plenty
that.
of that pickle. It's great. So to put you out of your misery, it was sub 10 minutes.
It was?
Which means it will make
Okay.
the board.
Oh my god, I'm so glad. I was so scared.
We were rushing you at
I
the
was
end.
so scared.
Do you have a name for it?
I do have a name for it. And I have a name that is kind of a descriptive term for me also. The Romanian mess.
Romanian mess.
The process was a bit messy, but that's how I operate. And it's good.
Works for us. Well, the Romanian mess came in with a time of 7 minutes and 6 seconds.
Okay,
Very
nice.
good.
Okay.
Very good.
That is solid. A
I was
solid
stressing
time.
out.
No.
It felt like 1 minute. I was in there. It
goes quick, right?
It goes quick,
Well,
definitely.
it was exactly that, just times 7.
Exactly, yeah. So I had a good meter for it in my mind. Thank you guys.
I think so. I want to hug back, but I'm also very greasy.
You can hug back with grease. It's
You'll
fine.
get slanina all over
Yes,
you.
exactly.
And you don't want that. Massive thank you to you, Kevin. If you want to check out Kevin and all of his amazing stuff, we're linking out to all of that in the description. Also, comment below, what did you make of the burger? And which guest would you like us to try and feature next on the sub 10-minute burger challenge?
Great job. We need to get you to scribble on our table before we go. Sign the table.
And leave the
Amazing.
mustard.
Leave the
The mustard
mustard.
is so good.